Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is addition and subtraction. Now B main subtract 1,28,746 from 3,26,235. So first we have to write the from. After from which number is given, this number we have to write in a first line, then this one. So always subtraction means greater number should be in a first line, then smaller number in a second line. So here also from 6,34,236. So this number we have to write first, then 4,37,789 we have to write in second line. Now first question children, 1 lakh B mean first question subtract 1,28,746 from 3,26,235. So with from, after from which number is given? 3,26,000. Yes, 3,26,235. That number we have to write first. After from this number we have to write because this is greater than the 1,28,000. So always subtraction means the greater number should be in first line. 3,26,235 minus 647. Arranging number according to the place value is very important. Children, arranging number according to the place value is very important. Now 5 minus 6 we can't subtract, so borrow 1 from next number. So here 1 means it become 15. 15 minus 6 means equalize 6 to 15. So we get the subtracted value. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 9. Now here 2. It was 3. He gave 1 to this number. So here now 3 will become 2. 2 minus 4 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So it become 12. And this is now 1. 12 minus 4 means 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 8. Now here 1. 1 minus 7 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from 6. So here 11. And 6 is now 5. 11 minus 7 means 4. Now 5 minus 8 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from next number. So this will become 15. 15 minus 8 means 7. Now here 1 because he gave 1 to his friend. So always subtraction means the first number should be greater. So 1 minus 2 we can't subtract because 2 is less than 1. So borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 11. 11 minus 2 means 9. Now here 2 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer is 1,97,489. Now next number is 4,37,789 from 6,34,236. So here from which number is given, that we have to write first. So it means always greater number should be in a first line and smaller number in a second line for a subtraction. So from these two numbers, both are in lakhs place. This is 4 lakhs, this is 6 lakhs. And first digit, this is 4 and 6. 6 is greater than, both are in a lakhs place. That is very important. Same place value. Okay. Then this is 6 lakhs. So 6 lakh is greater. So write 6,34,236 and 987,734. We have to minus it, subtract it. Okay, minus. No symbol means plus symbol is there. Now we have to subtract. 6 minus 9 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So it becomes 16. 16 minus 9 means 7. Now here it is now 2. 2 minus 8 again we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from this number. So it becomes 12 and here 1. 12 minus 8 means 4. Now 1 minus 7 again we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from here. So this is 11 and this is 3. 11 minus 7 means 4 again. 3 minus 7 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from here. So this is 13 and here 2. 13 minus 7 means 6. Now here 2. 2 minus 3 again we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So this is 12 and this is 5 now. 12 minus 3 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 9, 10. Sorry. Now 12 minus 3. So we have to equalize 3 to 12. So 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much we have to add? 9. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Now here 5 minus 4 is 1. Answer is 1,96,447. Now third question, 4,18,790 from 7,03,289. So write the numbers first. So after from which number is there, that we have to write first. Means both are in a lakhs, and which is a bigger one? 7 lakhs. 7 from which? 7,03,289 minus 0,97814. Okay. Minus 4,18,790. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 9 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here. So here 18, and this is now 1. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 1 minus 7 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here. So this is now 11, and this is 2. 11 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11. So equalize 7 to 11, we get the subtracted value. Now 2 minus 8 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here 0, then again knock next door. So here 7. 7 will help 1 to here. So this 7 is now 6. So here 10 will give 1 to here, and 10 will become 9 now. Now 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. Answer is 2,84,499. Next fourth question, 2,28,758 from 5,15,123. So after from which number is given, that we have to write first. It means both are in check the place value, children. This is in a 2 lakhs place, and this is in a 5 lakhs place. Both are in lakhs place, and the always subtraction means we have to write the greater one. So 2 and 5, which is a greater? 5 is a greater number, and both are in a lakhs place. So 5 lakh, always greater number should be in first line, and subtraction 3. And 8, 5, 7, 8, 2, 2. Okay. Now subtract the values. Now 3 minus 8 we can subtract it, borrow 1 from next number. So it will become 13, and 2 is now 1. 13 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 5. Now here 1 minus 5 we can subtract. So borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 11. 11 minus, and this is now 0. 11 minus 5 means 6. Now 0 minus 7 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here this will become 4, and here 1. So 10. 10 minus 7 means 3. Now 4 minus 8 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 14, and this is 0. 14 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we have to subtract? 6. Now 0 minus 2 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So this will become 10, and this is now 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Answer is 2,86,365. Now fifth question, 5,57,756 from 6,82,304. So from which number is there, that we have to write, and 6 lakh is greater than 5 lakhs. So always greater numbers first line. On first line 304. Then next year 6, 5, 7, 7, 5, 5. Okay, 5,57,756. Now 4 minus 6 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So this is now 14. 14 minus, so here 10, here also 0. So 3 will help. 3 will become 2, and 3 will give 1 to here. this become 10. Again 10 will give 1 to next number. Now this will become 14 and 10 is now 9. 14 minus 6 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 8. Now here 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now here 2 minus 7 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So this will become 12 and here 1. 12 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. Now 1 minus 7 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 11 and this is now 7. 11 minus 7 you have to subtract. So equalize 7 to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much? 4. Now 7. 7 minus 5 means 6, 7, 2. And 6. 6 minus 5 means 1. Answer is 1,24,548. Now next sixth one, 5,28,564 from 7,06,000. So which is a both, this is 5 lakh and 7 lakh. So both are lakhs. So which is a greater one? 7 lakh is greater than 5. And after from which number is given, that we have to write first. And subtraction means always greater numbers. Now 4, 6, 5, 8, 2, 5. Minus symbol. Now 0 minus 4 we have to subtract. So 0 minus 4 we can't subtract it. Here also 0, here also 0. So 6 will help these people. So 6 will become 5 now and 1 is here. So from 10, 10 will give 1 to here. So here 10 and this will become 9. Now 10. This 10 will give 1 to here and here this 10 will become 9. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9. Now here 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 5. 5 minus 8 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So here also 0. Again borrow from next number. So 7 will become 6 and here 1. Now 10. 10 will give 1 to here and this will become 9. 15 minus 8 means 7. 7 is 14, 15. No, 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6. 6 minus 5 means 1. Answer is 1,77,436. Now 7th question, 2,18,932 from 4,14,000. So which is a greater one? 2 lakh, 4 lakhs. Both are in a lakhs place. So 4 lakh is greater than 2 lakhs. And always after from which number is given, that we have to write first for a subtraction. Okay. Then this number 2, 3, 9, 8, 1, 2. 2,18,932. Now 0 minus 2 we can subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. Here also 0, here also 0. So 4 will help these people. Now 4 will become 3 because he will give 1 to next number. From 10, 10 will give 1 to next numbers and 10 will become 9 now. From this 10, 10 will give 1 to this number and this 10 will become 9. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 8 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 0. 1 will become 0 and here 13. 13 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. Now 0 minus 1 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here 1 and this will become 3. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer is 1,95,068. Now 8th one, 9,756 from 5,38,000. So this is in thousands place and this is lakhs place. So lakh is greater than thousands place. 5 lakh is greater than 9,000. So always after from which number is given, that we have to write first and subtraction. 5,38,000. Arranging number according to the place value is very important. So here it is in thousands place. Better write from ones place in a unit place. 6, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, minus symbol. Okay. Now 0 minus 6 we can't subtract. Here also 0, here also 0. So from 8 borrow 1 from here. From 8 borrow 1. So here 8 will become 7 and here 10. And from 10 give 1 to next number. So 10 will become 9. Out of 10 give 1 to here. So this 10 will become 9. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 means 2. It 9. Now 7 minus 9 we can subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here 17 and this will become 2. 17 minus 9 means 8. Now 2 as it is and 5 lakh. 5. Answer is 5,28,244. Now 9th question, 36,347 from 5 lakhs. So 36,000 is greater or 5 lakh is greater? 5 lakhs. And from which number is given, that we have to write. First 5 lakh. Okay. Then write the next number 7, 4, write from right side. 6, 3, arrange in number according to place value is very important. If it is not arranged properly means you get wrong answer. Now 10, 0 minus 7 we can subtract, borrow from 1 from next number. So here also 0, here 0, 0, 0 rupees. So 5 will help these people. So 5 will become 4 and because 5 will give 1 to here. Now 10. This 10 will give 1 to next number and 10 will become 9. And this 10 will give 1 to next number and here it will become 9. And this 10 will give 1 to next number and this will become 9. And this 10 will give 1 to next number and this will become 9. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 means 3. 9 minus 3 means 6. Now 4. Answer is 4,63,653. 4,63,653. Now 10th one, 24,892 from 6 lakh. So 6 lakh is greater than this number. So always write after from number 6. Number which is given after from. Now 2, 9, 8, 4, 2 minus symbol. Okay. Now here 10 minus 0 minus 2 we can subtract, 0 minus 2 we can subtract. So borrow 1 from next year 0, 0. 6 will give 1 to here and 6 will become 5. And 10 will give 1 to here and this 10 will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to here and here this will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to here and this will become 9. And this 10 will give 1 to here and this will become 9. Now here 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 means 5. 9 minus 2 means 7. And 5 as it is. Answer is 5,75,108. 5,75,108. Now 11th question, 18,245 from 7 lakhs. So 7 lakh is greater than 18,000. So from which number is given, that we have to write first. 7 lakh is written, then 4, here. So here 5, 4, 2, 8, 1 minus symbol. Now here 0 minus 5 we can subtract. Here also we can borrow 0, 0, 0, 0 rupees. So 7 will help. 7 will give 1 to next number and here 7 will become 6. And 10 will give 1 to here, 10 will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to here, here this will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to here and this will become 9. And this 10 will give 1 to here and here this will become 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 means 7. 9 minus 8 means 1. 9 minus 1 means 8. And 6 as it is. Answer is 6,81,755. Next 12th one, last question, 19,756 from 30,000. From which number is given that we have to write, means greater number is first 30,000 minus 6, 5, 7, 9, 1. Okay. Now 0 minus 6 we can subtract in. Here also 0, 0, 0. So borrow 1 from this number. Here no number to borrow 0. So 3 will give 1 to next number and 3 will become 2. 10 will give 1 to next number and 10 will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to next number and this 10 will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to next number and this will become 9. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 means 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer is 10,244. Answer is 10,244.